Hey, what's going on, boys? Welcome back to another video. I think we're gonna hit some shoulders in this video, but you know, we're in a little different of environment, you know. So I'm not at the gym right now. I'm on the way to the gym, and I'm with my boy Jordan. He just come pick me up. Now, I know you guys can see when I looked over at Jordan, everything on the window is white. You know how you know you're dedicated to the gym and you'll do anything necessary to get the gains? When you're driving in this and you can't even see the road. That's how you know that you're dedicated to the gym. But we're gonna hopefully make it to the gym, and when we get to the gym, we'll get it going. You know, we already slid trying to go up a little tiny bridge. Then we doing.
Oh yeah, but we got this.
We got this. We're professionals.
Gotta get them gains.
Gotta get them gains, man. At all costs. It don't matter. But I'll see you boys at the gym. Hey boys, currently we're about to get on the highway. You know, me and Jordan were sliding. Look at us. These little tires are spinning like something awful. We're trying to get up here though.
Oh, we're going.
Oh, we're going. We're going. Oh, we're sliding. Oh,
Oh, we made it.
we made it. Look at that, boys. Now look, all seriousness though, in weather like this, you know, Jordan could probably agree. If you don't have nowhere to go, or like if you don't have to go out, don't go out. You know, stay home, stay safe. You know, not everyone's as stupid as me and Jordan. You know, gains are important. I'm on a bulk. I can't waste these calories. So, me and Jordan, we're gonna go to the gym. You know, we're on the highway. We're on 23. Speed limit's 55. We're currently going 25, almost 30. But anyway, you know, just be safe out there. Don't do the stupid stuff we do. We're professionals, and everything that you see in this video is done by trained professionals. But I'll see you guys at the gym. Oh, boys, made it to the gym. Right. Barely made it. Me and Jordan slid a lot. But we're at the gym. Gotta get this pre-workout in and start getting these shoulder gains. Let's go. Fat scoop. Let's do this. Boys. So, we just got done warming up. We warmed up with the cables. And then me and Jordan went over to the shoulder press machine just to warm up a little bit. But I'm feeling a little bit crazy today, so I'm gonna walk up to a heavy weight. I want to see how many reps I can get with 225, if I can even get a rep at 225. But we got 135 on. I want to do this for a couple reps, get a feel for the movement, and then we're gonna go up. So I'll go up 165, 185, and then go straight up to 225. I'll probably go 200 or 205. I think 225 is too big of a jump. But I mean, 225 is pretty heavy on a shoulder press, so I'll probably go to 200 on a shoulder press. See if I can even rep it, you know, get one rep or two, but let's do this. That feels pretty good today. We'll go up a little bit and see how many reps we get. Alright, so we got 165 on. I want to do a rep or two with this, and then go up to 185. Oh, we're feeling strong today. We're feeling good. Go up to 185 and do a rep or two with that, and then go 200 or I might go 205. We'll see. Alright, boys, so we just done a set 165. 165 went up super fast, super easy. Normally I do 165 for reps, that's what I do my sets with, but we got 185 on now. With how fast 165 went up, this right here shouldn't be too much different. It'll be a little harder, but I'm thinking I'll go up to 205, maybe 200. We'll see though. Let's do this. They're going up fast. I think we'll go 205. Boys. 185 went up pretty easy, so I got 205 on right now. I want to see if I can even get one rep with this. I'm feeling like I can, but you never know. This is super heavy for a shoulder press. You know, if you do shoulder press, you know that anything shy of 185 and up, that's pretty elite for a shoulder press. But let's try this. No. Oh, boys. 205 was a little bit much. I started to push it, but I couldn't I couldn't get it up all the way, like locking it out to start doing the first rep, but we got 200 on now. See if I can get this for 1 or 2, we'll see. And then after this, we'll go down to like 185 and actually do reps and stuff.
Come on, push that. There you go.
Got one. I got one for 200. That's pretty daggone good, I think. Woo! We got 185. I'm gonna do 2 sets of this, and then drop it down, do 165, and then 135. Fix that. I was gonna do another set with 185, but when me and Jordan went heavy and kind of done a PR, you know, there's no use in doing another set with 185. So I got 165 on. Do a set with this and then drop down to 135. Do some really slow controlled reps. Drop it down to 135 and do some slower reps. Alright guys, we got 500 on. Joey didn't even hear me. You hear what I said? Alright boys, we got 500 on the board.
Just count it.
Oh, my bad, 600. 135 on last set of this. I'm gonna try to go as slow as I can go, you know. Not too slow, not too fast, just steady pace up and down. And then we'll go front delt. Try to get 2 more. I might try to get these last 2 a little faster. That's how you know you're doing something right, whenever you struggle with this, but move over to the front delts. All right, boys, moving over to the front delts with this grip. We got 125 on right now just to get a feel for the movement. I think I was telling Jordan, I don't care how many sets I do over there with the wide grip shoulder press. If I'm moving over to a different movement, I want to warm up and get a feel for that movement. Not only does it warm up my front delts, but it also gets me familiar with the movement, but it lets me know how heavy I can go, which I'll go full stack on this, but let's do this. All right, boys, got 245 on the bottom. Do 245 for 2 sets, drop it down on the 3rd set to 230, and then go 215. This shouldn't be too bad. Feels good. I got 8 on the first set. I'm gonna try to get 8 again, but if I get 6, I'm happy with it. Whatever. Oh.
What are you doing?
Oh.
You can't start food.
Oh. Oh, it feels good. Go 230. Moving on to the 3rd set, got 230 on it. I got 245 on the first set for 8, 245 on the second set for 6 or 7. I want to try to get this for 8 or 10. We're down 215. Oh. You know, you would think with there being so much snow outside that it'd be colder in here, but it's really hot here. I'm sweating like a pig. Oh. Last set, then we'll go with decline. Or decline. We'll go rear delts. Oh. Oh my God. Move over to rear delts. Alright boys, moving over to rear delt. I've said it multiple times. Rear delts is one of those muscles that's it's really hard to work because when you do any kind of like rear delt movement, your biceps, your arms are gonna help pull the weight. Your back's gonna do some of it. Your traps, you know, the other shoulder muscles. But if you really want to focus on your rear delt, whatever kind of rear delt movement you're doing, try to go a little lighter weight and really control the weight and go slow. I feel like with a lighter weight on rear delts and the slower you go, the more of the rear delts you feel and the less of the other muscles come into play. But we're going to do rear delt pulls from the ground up, do 3 sets of this to a failure, and then we'll move over to shoulder presses with dumbbells. I love that, dude. I used to do those while seating and pulling it to my face, but I feel like when it's coming up from the floor and I can pull it, I feel like when I pull it from the ground up, I can stretch back into my rear delts a lot more. 2 more sets. Set number 2. One more set. Alright, so for the third set, I lowered the weight just a little bit. I want to go a lot slower and really control the weight a lot more with this. And then we'll go to dumbbell press. That's not a whole lot of weight, but I'm telling you right now, when you go really slow, you feel it. Move over to shoulder press. Dumbbell. Yeah, man. Hey guys, you can't see my head, man. There we go. Wait. Jordan, come on. I need help, brother.
Oh, are you going to talk to him?
Oh, you did?
Oh, okay.
This guy, man. We got 75 pound dumbbells. See what happens.
Oh, you ready?
Yeah. No. Dude, my power's gone. We'll go down to the 65s. So as you guys can see, the 75 pounds were a little too much right now. So I dropped it down to 60. As soon as I went and grabbed the 60s, Jordan goes, yeah, that's one possible. That's much better. Do 60s for a set till failure, and then we'll go down. So I'll do 60s for a set, 55s for a set, and then 50s for a set. We'll go down. 3 sets. Oh yeah, that's much better. Oh my God, there's like no power at all. There's nothing there. That 200 pound shoulder press done me. We'll go down to the 25s. Alright boys, so we got the 50s now. We're gonna see if I can do the 50s because I'm just like, there's nothing there left. There's no power, nothing. You know, let's do this. Dude, they're done. They're dead. Completely hammered. Oh my gosh, dude. They're hammered. Yeah, I think we'll move over to something else. We'll do something for the front delts, I guess. Probably front delt raises with the plate. We'll do some of those if I can right now. I'm dead. Boys. We're doing the last thing for the front delts, like the front of the shoulders. We're gonna do 45 pound like plate raises. We'll do 3 sets of this till absolute failure. And then to finish off the rear delts, we're gonna go to the fly machine and do reverse flies. And then we're done, man. Yeah, buddy. Second set. Oh gosh.
Come on.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
5 more, just took a break.
Oh gosh.
Come on.
You're killing me.
Oh, 3 more. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, man.
You're killing me, dude. I'll never ask Jordan to push me again. Dude, he was killing me, dude. Alright, boys. Moving over to the rear delts. I'm gonna do it on the reverse fly. You know, this thing. Do 2 failure sets on this and then I'm done, man. Alright, boys, we're leaving the gym. You know, this is gonna be like the first outro I've done driving. You know, I got my boy Jordan over here driving. Yeah, Jordan's not big on cameras, you know, he don't really like it that much. But today we done shoulders. I had a really good shoulder workout. You know, me and Jordan warmed up a little bit, cables, a little bit of machine, this and that. And then we went straight to military press. 200 on a shoulder press. I got 1. Jordan said that, what do you say, Jordan? You count 2 or 3? Because getting it off the rack is pretty much 1, right? So in the comments, you guys let me know if you think I got 2 reps or 1 rep with 200. But anyway, 200 pounds on a shoulder press is pretty elite, I think. That's pretty daggone good. But we done, we worked up to 200. After I done 200, I did, I think it was 3 sets. I done 185 for a set, 165 for a set, 135 for a set. Moving over from that, we went to the incline machine, doing the front delts with like the closer grip. We done 2 sets, 245, a set with 230, a set with 215. Moving over from that, we went to the cable, doing the rear delts. I think I've done 3 sets of that, I'm not sure. After that, went straight to the dumbbell press. I want to tell you something right now. You guys will see. 75-pound dumbbells, 65-pound dumbbells, even the 50s was hurting me today. That should let you know I had a pretty good shoulder workout. When I get to the 50-pound dumbbells and them things feel like hundreds, like it's a pretty good workout today. Moving from that, I done shoulder press, then we get done front delt raises. You guys will see that I almost threw the plate through the wall. I fell a couple times, you know, Jordan was pushing me, you know. I love Jordan, man. Love him for that. After that, I done reverse cables. No, I done reverse flies for the rear delts. And then now we're here. You know, we're on the road. Me and George driving. Gonna go get some food. Maybe a protein shake here or there. But if you guys like the video, like the video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. And I'll see you boys in the next one.